Hey everyone, welcome. It's Bubs here and I have a makeup look for you guys. It's a cute spring to summer situation going on. It's still a little cold here, but let's brighten up your day real quick with this look. So I'm first getting started with my eyebrows. I have a dedicated video doing my brows. It's pretty straightforward. I'm using this Milani brow pomade, filling in the brows, and then I'm just carving them out with some concealer. I always love how brows frame your face, but for me it takes the longest to do. It just takes way too long. Who else? Who else? So once I do that, I'm just setting it with a little mascara. So let's get into the foundation. I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation in Togo, one of my favorite, all-time favorite foundations. If you want a medium to full coverage foundation that's going to give you an even skin tone, flawless skin, your skin's not feeling heavy, but it's still breathable, this is a good one. I gotta get another bottle of it. I just used a flat top brush to blend it all over my face. Now I'm going in with my concealer of choice. I'm using this Revlon concealer just to highlight the places I want to stand out. I have been carving out my contour with concealer too, just to chisel my face a little more. Let's slim it down some. Let's just slim it down, Okay, so after that, I'm adding my concealer and I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the shade number 4, I believe. And I'm using this as a contour because it's gonna deepen up certain areas of my face and, chisel my face out even more. We love that. To set underneath my eye, I'm using this Graftobian setting powder in banana. I've had this for a very long time, so I'm just trying to use it up. It actually is a really good powder. It definitely does last all day. It just doesn't give a brightening effect for me and my skin tone, but I still do like it. Now I am moving on to the eyes. I'm going to apply my eye base from MAC and then apply a little concealer just to mute out and give me an even skin tone. Now I am adding a little bronzer on top of that contour just to make that area a little darker and warm up my face. Time to set the area as well with a little setting spray. Apply your highlighter. This one's from Becca. This one gives a really nice, simple glow. It has a pinky to peach undertone and I really like that on me. Now going back to the eyes, I'm using the Saharan palette and this eye look is very simple. I used about 2 shades, all right, call it a day. I'm using this bright coral shade in my crease and I'm blending it all over the eye. And I am gonna take a smaller detailer brush and apply that on the lower lash line too. Make sure you're packing and stamping the product where you want it to go first. Take your time, apply a little and just build it up. And then you can go back and forth with the blending, adding more product and blending some more. The easiest way to blend is to add, blend, add, blend, add, blend. Just take your time, definitely take your time. Now I'm using the Stone Vibes palette from Urban Decay and I'm applying this gorgeous shimmery shade on the lids, baby glistening. The shine, wow, I was amazed. It has more of a pinky peach undertone and it goes perfect with that coral. Now just to brighten up the lower inner corner, I'm adding a little bit of this beige cream eyeshadow, stacking 2 colors on top just to ensure that it's super bright but not too pale, just so it's pale enough for my skin tone, a little creaminess. Now I'm just adding a little mascara. This one's from Urban Decay. Really love this because of the brush. It really gets in there and defines my lashes really well. I really like the tip of that eyelash brush. I'm quickly just lining my eyes. If you guys have any recommendations for a matte liquid eyeliner, leave it down below because this one is old and they no longer sell this anymore. So let me know your recommendations. Something that's super matte, not glossy, matte. I need a matte liquid eyeliner. A quick and easy tip when it comes to applying your lashes, add a little lash glue on the lash line, then add some glue to the lash band, and then you can apply it. It's going to take you no time to add your lashes. They're going to stick very well. It's going to get really tacky really quick and they will last all day. I love using this technique. You just want to be very careful when you are removing them because I find that I need to add a little product, a little oil, a little lubricant just to ensure that I'm not taking out any eyelashes because we want to keep the ones we have. We're trying to preserve those, okay? We just want to make them fuller. Because you did add adhesive twice, it's going to be super tacky and stuck on. So make sure you use a little bit of oil or a little makeup remover to get them off. So right here, I'm adding some lip gloss. I'm pretty sure I added a nude lip underneath. I didn't keep it with just this sparkly lip gloss because it looked a little plain. Yeah, I did. I added a little nude lipstick underneath. I used KKW's Nude 3. And yeah, this is the finished look. I told you this was a super quick tutorial. Please let me know what you thought of this look. Let me know if you would try to recreate it. Let me know if you think this is achievable. I think this is definitely a simple look because it's only 2 eyeshadows. Let me know what else you want to see from me because I would definitely make more tutorials if you guys are gonna watch it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.